That's good.
Yes. You want more?
Yeah.
45 caliber pistol all by himself, or if his father
Here.
did. At one point, his father did
I
own
guess
6
I will.
registered firearms,
Cheers.
which were removed from the home and destroyed before he died of
Drink.
natural
Drink
causes
together.
in 2017.
Uh-huh.
Her house father was forbidden from
Mm.
still not known.
What are you drinking?
Drinking apple juice.
Apple juice.
That's orange juice.
It's orange juice.
Okay, orange.
I just drink. I think.
Cheers. Oh my goodness.
More?
Oh my God. Hindi nauubos yung orange juice nyo. Bottomless. Bottomless, oh. Drink.
No more.
More.
More? There's more?
It's just more juice.
Oh, there's more juice. Ay, umutot.
Did you fart? Oh my goodness.
Time to drink.
Time to drink.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers po.
I'm stinky. Your utot is stinky.
Questions from the House Intelligence Committee members and lawyers. This, of course, all related to the impeachment inquiry
Cheers.
into President Trump. Both witnesses face tough
Oh, may utot yung orange juice.
Loko to si Papa.
The orange juice smells like utot.
No.
Pushing back on a claim made by some Republicans that it
I
was
think
Ukraine,
this.
not
I
Russia,
think
that
it's a
interfered in
water
the 2016
Yeah.
election.
Water juice? It's a water juice?
I think it's orange juice.
Orange
She
juice.
also urged lawmakers
Okay.
to be prepared for similar action from
You-
Russia in
you
the
want
next
more.
election.
We're running out of time to stop them.
Also testifying before the
Walang
Intelligence Committee,
katapusan
David
yung
Ford,
orange juice na yan ah.
affairs at the US Embassy in Ukraine.
Baho.
His voice was loud.
Naiipon yung amoy.
Holmes testified that he heard a call between Trump and Ambassador to the European
Namor.
Union Gordon Sondland. According to
I
Holmes,
try,
Trump asked
Papa is
Sondland
Papa is already full.
his political opponents.
Mama get more.
Mama get more. Oh, give it to Mama.
No, thank you.
Ambassador Sondland replied that he's
I
going to do
think
it.
this is Ibani drinking your juice.
Thursday's hearing,
So you gotta drink Mama's juice.
It's
On Wednesday,
Imam,
Ambassador
this is the
has conditioned aid
drink
to Ukraine
Bunny's
carry out
juice.
political investigations.
You're gonna drink Mama's juice.
Has denied
It's
any
like drink
wrongdoing and maintains
Bunny's
that the
juice.